kaibigan na walang katulad. Juan Enamilio, sabi pa ng asawa ko noon, yung kinang ng puso niya hindi nakikita. Pero mararamdaman ang bawat isa.
You're the most generous person people I know too. Kasi lahat, ibibigay mo. Lalo na sa family mo, sa friends mo.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa pag-alalay sa kapatid ko. Thank you. Thank you.
It's so silly of me to act like I don't need you back. When all I can think about is that since I seen you last. I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask for space. I'm telling you, be on your way. When I told you to fall back, so can you come pick up your clothes? I had them folded. Leave me at the door while it's still open. I know it's getting cold out, but it's not frozen. So come pick up your clothes. I had them folded. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you, already folding it for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun. No, I know that I'm not all that you got. I guess that I just thought maybe we could find new ways to fall apart. But our friends
Kasama ko kayo to celebrate my 50th birthday na ito naman talaga yung iniisip ko, yung parang ini-imagine ko na makakasama ko kayo lahat, yung mga tao importante sa buhay ko. Thank you Lord kasi sa healthy, salamat Lord sa financial. Maraming dapat ipagpasalamat sa Panginoon kahit sa kabila ng lahat ng maraming trials sa buhay natin. I still we thank you to the Lord. Salamat sa Empower Ministry na talaga naman very supportive. Thank you sa ating nasa audio, nasa music, na kahit may mga pasok yan, talagang binigyan nila ako ng chance na makipag-celebrate sa aking kaarawan. Thank you, Budan! Alam ko, ang dami mong sakripisyo kahapon, kagabi. Ikaw lahat nagluto halos. Ikaw talaga. Kayo, Brenda, thank you. Especially Len! Len, thank you din sa suporta. Hindi ko lang naasikaso yung bisita ko. Pero andyan ka, buti na lang andyan ka din. Salamat ate sa buhay mo na sa lahat ng tao, siya yung unang tao nagtiwala sa akin. Na kung hindi dahil hindi niya ako binigyan ng chance, wala ako ngayon dito sa harapan ko. So thank you you ate sa buhay mo na pinagamit ka ni Lord na tulungan kami. Ito, isa pa to. Pareho kami niya. Tinulungan kami ni ate na pinag-aral niyan. So, salamat ate. Yun. At sa kuya ko na ngayon ko lang nakita, salamat din at bigyan mo ko ng chance na pumunta rito at magkita tayo. Salamat. Sana maulit-ulit. Kay Pia, kay Sasan na na mula kanina umaga talagang binigyan niya ako ng ng rest. Lahat mula paa hanggang taas. Siya lahat yung nag-sponsor. Massage, manicure, pedicure, yung sa hair and do, siya po lahat yung nag-set niyan. So, salamat, Sasan! Kundi dahil sa'yo, walang magandang bebek ngayon! So, bawat isa sa inyo, alam ko na, ramdam ko naman na nandun yung suporta. Hindi man natin nasasabi sa bawat isa yung love, nararamdaman natin yun. Kasi ganun ako magmahal. Hindi ako nagsasabi, pero ipaparamdam ko sa inyo.